It's your girl Feliciayumm. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff to help your girl out. Today's video is going to be another Colourpop review video, which I'm super excited about because it's been a minute since Colourpop, dropped a really good collection. I noticed they were kind of lagging through the whole quarantine situation, dropping anything new, but they are back in full effect and they have quite a few collections out right now, which I'm super excited about. This one is called Garden Variety and it's such a beautiful palette. I love the neutral colors. Your girl is a neutral girl. I don't really stray too far away from browns and golds and you know what I'm saying, the neutral tones. I mean, look at the skin. You don't really need much with the skin. So yeah, this palette just came out, I want to say about 2 weeks ago. It did take me a minute to get it in the mail, but I finally got it here. And it's such a pretty palette. And I say this about all the palettes, which is all right, Felicia, we understand you like Colourpop, but this one is more of my flavor. I love these colors. So I'm going to zoom in and show you guys. Yes, so I'm not really sure the look that I'm going to be going with as far as what I'm going to do on my eyes, because I do have on eyelash extensions which need to be filled. It's looking pretty bad. It's looking a little skimp right now, but I'm gonna try to still give you guys a look regardless. I also did get their Herb Appeal collection. This came with the lip gloss and blush. This blush is called Whole 9 Yards and it's this really pretty pink. I also got Local Time, and this is a really pretty color. You guys can see that. This is a really pretty color. This is more of my color too. This kind of reminds me of Rihanna's lip gloss, which I'm blanking on the name right now, but it was one of my favorites and I actually need to re-up on that because it's been a minute. But so I'm gonna give this a try. This is actually a lip oil. But yeah guys, if you're interested in learning how I do a look using the new Colourpop Garden Variety palette, go ahead and make sure you stay tuned. Alright, so I'm gonna need y'all to not come for me in these lashes because they are looking wild. But I gotta do what I gotta do. Makeup still gotta get done regardless if the lashes is looking skimp or not. So we just gonna jump in the palette. Y'all gonna look past the lashes and we're gonna get to it. So I'm not really sure, like I said, where I'm going with this look. I just know that I want to keep it simple. I want to keep it light, but I also want to use those two really pretty colors that I mentioned, Third Eye and Wavelength. And I'm going to start out by using Stay Sharp. I don't know, as soon as I opened the palette, that just seemed like a base color for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. As soon as I find my brush, I don't know what brush I want to use. Alright, so I'm gonna use Stay Sharp, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. guys, so this is the completed look. I actually had so much fun using this palette. There's so many variations that you can get from this palette alone. As I said, guys, if you are not subscribed, please make sure you go ahead and do so. If you found value in this video, please make sure you like, comment, share, all that good stuff, and I will see you in my next one.